Well, welcome back to the channel. On today's vlog, we are going to dive into building a fire pit. So a couple months back, I inquired to a brick guy about bricking in our fire pit, doing some pavers and this and that. He came back with an estimate of $8,000 to do this fire pit area. Well, me being a bit of a cheapskate, I was like, we are definitely not doing that. Even if I had the money, I wouldn't spend that. But I did have some bricks left over from the house build. We got just under 60 bricks, and I'm thinking, what can I do with that? So I went down to Home Depot and bought a bag or two of Quick Crete, which are about $5 or $6 each. And I'm gonna see what I can do with some bricklaying skills. Here's my existing fire pit. Always a match away from a fire. Not that we're needing it on this 80-degree day in Savannah. So below me is 56 bricks. I'm gonna use this to make 4 levels of bricks around the ring of my fire pit. I'm gonna try and mix up some Quick Crete. I don't know if that's the right stuff you do for mortar, but we're gonna jump into it. What's the worst that could happen? All right, so I've mixed a half a bag of concrete in my little mixer here. I got my trowel ready. I'm gonna use this bit and kind of build a bed or a base of concrete around the bottom and begin to sit my bricks into that. Once again, I have no idea what I'm doing.
On the outside, looking in, I really wasn't sure what I was getting. Between the high waves on the sea, waiting for something to get to me. I wasn't sure what I was hoping for, you see. But you act like gravity and you are pulling me. 'Cause you know what I want, babe. You know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. I saw it fire from the sea. I didn't know what it was telling me.
Let's begin level 2.
Keeping on. I really wasn't sure what I was hoping for, but you knew everything you've done this all before. You know what I want, babe. You know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want.
Well, if anyone's still watching the video at this point, and you shouldn't be, because this is not the right way to do this, we're getting it done. And if nothing else, we're learning something, and I'm gonna have a functioning fire pit at the end of the day. I gotta go grab one more bag of Quick Crete from the garage and go ahead and do this top layer and maybe patch some holes or spaces on the side, some gaps. And yeah, we will have a fire tonight and see how the sucker holds up.
And you know everything that gets me going. You know what I want, babe. All the little things that I'm not showing. You know what I want, babe. And you know it all before I do it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I need before I show it. You know what I want, babe. You know what I want. You know what I want. You know what I want.
All right, that is 4 layers high. I got winded. I also got a half a bag of Quick Crete left, so we're gonna mix it up, maybe reinforce the sides, figure out how to finish this top. I don't know what I'm doing, but I feel like I'm excited for tonight's bonfire. I feel like it's gonna be better than ever before. All right, so we've given some time for the concrete to dry from the little fire pit I built this afternoon. It's approaching evening, and I think we can check it out, get an idea of how this thing is gonna turn out. Well, that's it. I had my first go at a little bit of bricklaying / masonry work, and I'm happy because it helps my outdoor space. I spend a lot of time in the cooler months around the fire pit with friends, hanging out, and it's nice to have something that classes it up a little bit. So thanks for checking out the vlog. And if you liked this video, would you go ahead and like? More importantly, subscribe, hit the notification thing. It helps promote the videos. It helps grow the channel, get a bigger following, and make it possible to do more creative videos like these. Thanks for being a part.